Friday night. You want to relax.
Scroll and scroll and scroll for 30 minutes.
He wants action. You want romance. Nobody agrees.
Or worse, you go online and see a spoiler.
No!
Don't just watch. Talk about it. Share the story.
Honestly, it's one of the best films I've seen all year. You have to watch it.
Learn how to recommend your favorites.
Grab the popcorn. Let's talk movies.
Welcome to episode 14. Action!
Hello, movie lovers. Welcome back to the English Global Podcast. I am Anna.
And I am Michael. Grab your popcorn and turn off your phones because episode 14 is starting now.
Michael, I have a confession. I spend more time choosing a movie on Netflix than actually watching it.
The Netflix paralysis. I know it well. There are too many choices, and then I usually just rewatch Friends for the 100th time.
Me too. It is my comfort show. But talking about movies is one of the best ways to connect with people. Everyone watches something.
Exactly. It's a perfect small talk topic. Have you seen the new Marvel movie? What are you watching right now?
So today, we are going to give you the vocabulary to be a film critic. We will learn about different genres, types of movies.
We will learn how to describe the story without giving spoilers. That's very important.
And we will discuss the modern habit of binge-watching. Is it good or bad?
Plus, we have a grammar focus on giving recommendations using suggest and recommend.
So, dim the lights. Let's get started. Please like this video to buy a ticket and subscribe for the best seat in the house. Part 1. What's your genre? Ping pong conversation.
So, Anna, what is your favorite genre? Are you an action hero or a romance lover?
I'm definitely a rom-com girl. Romantic comedy. I like happy endings. What about you?
I love sci-fi, science fiction, spaceships, aliens, the future. I love thinking about what if.
Oh, that is too complicated for me. Do you like horror movies?
Absolutely not. I cover my eyes. I hate being scared. Do you?
No way. I get nightmares. But I do like a good thriller.
Ah, yes. Something with suspense and mystery, like a detective story.
Exactly. And sometimes, if I want to cry, I watch a drama or a tearjerker.
A tearjerker. That's a great word for a sad movie. I admit, I cry at movies sometimes.
That's sweet, Michael. Real men cry at movies. Part 2. Describing the movie. Plot and cast.
Okay, so you watched a movie. Your friend asks, what's it about? How do you answer?
You need to describe the plot. The plot is the main story.
But keep it simple. Don't tell every detail. Say, it's about a man who, or it's set in space.
For example, it's set in Paris in the 1920s. It's about a writer who meets famous artists.
That sounds like Midnight in Paris. Great movie. And we also talk about the cast.
The cast are the actors. It stars Leonardo DiCaprio, or the acting was amazing.
And don't forget the soundtrack, the music.
Yes, the soundtrack was beautiful, or the special effects, CGI.
The special effects were mind-blowing. It looked so real. Part 3. Vocabulary and Grammar Deep Dive.
Let's review the script. Here is our vocabulary deep dive.
First word, genre. Definition, a particular type or style of literature, art, film, or music. Example, my favorite movie genre is comedy.
Next is a modern verb, binge-watch. Definition: to watch multiple episodes of a TV series in rapid succession, one after another. Example: I binge-watched the whole season in one weekend.
A very important word, spoiler. Definition: information about the plot of a movie that ruins the surprise for someone who hasn't seen it. Example: don't tell me the ending, no spoilers.
Next is plot twist. Definition: an unexpected development in the story. Example: the movie had a huge plot twist at the end. I was shocked.
And finally, blockbuster. Definition: a movie that is a great commercial success, usually an action movie with a big budget. Example: the new Avengers movie is a massive blockbuster. Now for the grammar. Recommending. Suggest, recommend, plus ing.
Let's start with the grammar. How do we tell our friends to watch something?
We use the verbs recommend and suggest, but be careful with the structure.
The most common mistake is saying, I recommend you to watch it. This is wrong.
Correct. We have two correct ways. Way number 1, verb plus ing. Example: I recommend watching this movie. Example: I suggest going to the cinema.
Way number 2 is verb plus that plus person plus base verb. Example: I recommend that you watch this movie.
This second way is a bit formal. For daily conversation, the ing form is easier and safer. Example: I suggest skipping the first episode.
Or you can just use modals. You should watch it, or you must see it.
Simple is often best. You really have to see this.
Part 4. Interactive role play. Giving recommendations.
Now let's practice. Imagine we are friends deciding what to watch.
I will ask for a recommendation. You give me one. First, listen to Michael.
Hey Anna, I need a laugh. What should I watch?
I recommend watching The Office. It is hilarious.
Thanks, I'll try it.
Now it is your turn. Michael will ask you. I want you to recommend a horror movie. Use I suggest watching. Ready?
I want to be scared tonight. What do you suggest?
Did you say it? I suggest watching movie name. For example, I suggest watching The Conjuring.
Let's try one more. Recommend an action movie. Use you should watch. I'm bored. I want some action. What should I watch?
You should watch Mission Impossible.
Great recommendations. I have a long list now.
Part 5. Streaming habits. Binge watching. Michael, do you prefer watching one episode a week or all at once?
Oh, I'm a binge watcher. If a season comes out on Netflix, I finish it in 2 days. I have no self-control.
It's addictive. Just one more episode, and suddenly it's 3 a.m.
But sometimes watching weekly is fun, like with Game of Thrones or The Last of Us. You can talk about it with friends all week.
True, it builds suspense, but I hate cliffhangers.
Ah, a cliffhanger. That's when an episode ends at a really exciting moment and you don't know what happens.
It drives me crazy. That's why I like to wait until the whole season is out.
Patience, Anna. We learned about that in episode 28. Conclusion.
That's a wrap. We've finished the episode.
We learned about genres like rom-com and sci-fi.
We learned not to give spoilers and how to describe a plot twist.
We mastered the grammar of I recommend watching.
And we confessed our binge-watching habits.
Now, here's your 15-minute action plan. Think of your favorite movie of all time.
Write down 3 sentences describing it. What is the genre? What is the plot? Who stars in it?
And then record yourself recommending it to a friend.
And before you go, we have a question for you.
What is the last TV show you binge-watched? Did you finish it in one weekend?
Tell us in the comments. Example, I binge-watched Stranger Things in 2 days.
We need new suggestions. Thank you for watching.
See you in the next episode of the English Global Podcast.